Imagine holding one of the most powerful positions in the land, a lifetime appointment shaping the very fabric of justice and society, yet no rule book tells you exactly what resume you need. This is the intriguing reality for those who ascend to the United States Supreme Court. The United States Constitution, surprisingly, does not explicitly list any specific qualifications that a person must meet to become a Supreme Court justice. There are no requirements for age, citizenship, or even legal experience mandated by the nation's foundational document. This omission was a deliberate choice by the framers of the Constitution during its drafting in the late 1700s. They believed that relying on the president to nominate highly qualified individuals and the Senate to provide thorough advice and consent was a sufficient check. Instead of rigid criteria, they emphasized the integrity of the appointment process itself, trusting that a thorough review by two branches of government would ensure suitable candidates. While the Constitution does not specify formal requirements, a strong understanding of constitutional law and a demonstrated record of legal acumen are effectively prerequisites. Historically, presidents nominate individuals who have extensive experience as judges, lawyers, law professors, or prominent government officials. The Senate then scrutinizes the nominee's judicial philosophy, temperament, and professional background during confirmation hearings, acting as a crucial filter for suitability. An interesting constitutional detail is the good behavior clause for federal judges, which grants them tenure until they die, resign, or are removed through impeachment. This clause, rather than initial qualifications, primarily secures judicial independence, allowing justices to make decisions free from political pressures. The unwritten qualifications emphasize intellectual rigor, sound judgment, and a commitment to justice, reflecting a broad interpretation of what makes an excellent jurist. Ultimately, the absence of explicit qualifications for Supreme Court justices underlines a fundamental trust in the system of checks and balances designed by the framers. It highlights that the rigorous, multi-stage appointment and confirmation process, rather than a checklist of attributes, is the primary safeguard ensuring that only individuals of exceptional caliber and legal intellect serve on the nation's highest court.